Welcome to the installation training video for the GE Smart 40-gallon electric water heater with flexible capacity. This video will provide step-by-step instructions to properly install a GE Smart 40-gallon electric water heater with flexible capacity, submit product registration using a smart device, connect to the Smart HQ app using a smart device, and adjust water heater settings with the Smart HQ app. Let's start with unboxing the water heater. In this first section, we will unbox and position the water heater. While we are doing this, let's discuss 5 key steps to complete during the installation process. Always check the local building codes before installing any water heater. Ensure the home has adequate water pressure. Review the important notice regarding dry firing. This notice will be taped to the unit and include the simple 3-step process to avoid dry firing the water heater. Review the water heater's owner's manual found taped to the unit. Position the water heater under the existing water lines and electric. Relief valve and discharge pipe. Measure the distance from the relief valve to the floor. Then reduce that measurement by no more than 6 inches. Mark the discharge pipe. In this case, it is 40 inches. Cut the discharge pipe. Coat the threads of the discharge pipe with pipe joint compound or pipe thread sealant tape. Tighten the discharge pipe into the relief valve. You will check the relief valve when the tank is full. Connecting the water lines. Connecting the water lines is a lengthy process. The cold line coming from the main water supply will have a shutoff valve. It is attached to the inlet nipple that has a blue cap. The red outlet nipple is the hot line coming out of a water heater and is dispersed to the house. We will start by taping or using joint compound on the nipple threads. In this case, the plumber uses both. Attach copper piping to both the water line and the water heater to ensure proper fit. Measure pipe length for proper fit. Cut the pipe to length. Clean to outer edges and remove any burrs from the rim. Connect all piping to ensure correct fit. Connect all joints by either solder or compression. When this is complete, turn the cold water on at the main and water heater shutoff valve. Purge air from the water heater and lines by turning on a hot water faucet in the house. Let the water heater fill completely. Connecting electric power. Once the water heater is full and you've ensured there are no leaks, it is time to connect the water heater to the electrical service. The first step is to turn the breaker off at the breaker panel. Then open the electrical panel cover from the water heater. Attach it to the electrical line. Connect the wires from the water heater to the electrical line. Replace the panel cover. Now turn the power back on at the main panel. Registration setup. Before beginning the Smart HQ setup for the water heater, the installers will fill out the installer contact information on the right side of the water heater. Now, using your smartphone, follow these steps. Scan the QR code to start the process of registering and setting the GE Smart Electric water heater. When the scan is successful, a website link appears at the top of the phone. Tap this link. The GE Appliances registration webpage opens. You will see the model and serial number displayed tied to your water heater. A "We use cookies" notice appears. Tap Accept Cookies. Tap Register Appliance. Sign in to your account. If you don't have an account, you will need to set one up before you proceed. Some phones may use facial recognition. You will be prompted to save your password. Tap Save Password. The next screen will have the pre-populated information of the GE Smart water heater being installed. Next, enter the installation date and tap the Continue button. Now, enter your address. Tap Submit Registration to complete the process. And just like that, your registration process is complete. Smart HQ Setup. Now that the GE Smart water heater is registered, we will review how to connect the Smart HQ app to the water heater, which means you can control your water temperature from anywhere. What else can you do? The first step is to locate and open the Smart HQ app on your smart device or download from the App Store and create an account. The Smart HQ app opens ready to connect the water heater. Tap Add Appliances in the upper right-hand corner. Select the correct brand. In this case, we are installing a GE water heater. Tap the GE Appliances icon on this screen. All GE appliances will display on the next screen. Tap Water Products. Then Water Heater. Tap Next to begin connecting the water heater with the Smart HQ app. This process will take several minutes depending on the Wi-Fi speed. Look at the water heater control panel and locate the Wi-Fi icon. If it is there, click Yes on the smart device. On the water heater control panel, simultaneously press the plus and minus buttons for 5 seconds until a Wi-Fi signal starts to flash. If you've already set the temperature monitor will also flash. Now click Next on your phone. Now locate the connected appliance info label at the top of the water heater. Then tap Next on the phone. Locate and enter the last 4 digits of the network and password on the phone. Tap Next. Now select the home network and enter the password. To complete the process, tap Done. Congratulations! The GE Smart Water Heater is now connected to the Smart HQ app. In the next section, we will review how to use the app. Using Smart HQ. In this section, you will learn how simple it is to use the Smart HQ app to adjust the GE Smart Water Heater. Tap the water heater icon to open the settings on the Smart HQ app. You can adjust the temperature by adjusting the temperature dial and tapping Set. Tap Mode to set the water heater to vacation mode. Tap Capacity to select between normal, high, or extra high. Now you are ready to properly install a GE Smart 40-gallon electric water heater with flexible capacity, submit product registration using a smart device, connect to the Smart HQ app using a smart device, and adjust water heater settings with the Smart HQ app. Thank you for joining GE Appliances Water Heater Installation Training. Please refer to the installation guide for additional questions and troubleshooting.